Have you ever created a gradient in Photoshop? The gradient tool allows you to gradually change color and light across your image with power and precision. You can use different types of gradients to blend with or overlay other photos to create stunning backdrops for logos, poster arts, and many more. Let's make your picture even better. Today, I will add a blue and red gradient to make this picture look better. I could just apply a red or blue layer, but it looks bad. That's why we need to create a gradient. Okay, first, let's duplicate the layer. Then, we click the Adjustment and Fill Layers button next to the Layer Mask button. Here you'll find various options, from solid colors to patterns in the Fill Layer section, and from brightness or contrast to selective color in the Adjustment Layer section. But for now, let's choose the gradient color. And now, I will add different colors to my design. You can see many options on this menu to customize your gradient, such as adjusting the color angle, style, and scale. I'll place the blue color on the left side by changing the angle to 0. You can also use the preset gradient styles from Photoshop. But today, I'm going to create my gradient. Let's change the color to dark blue. In this menu, you can easily adjust your gradient. Now, I will add red on the right side of the picture. Then, we choose the gradient again and change the color to red. And the angle to 180. Next, I want the color to blend in with the picture. So, we have to select Gradient Fill 1 and Gradient Fill 2 layers. And then click the tool next to the opacity. In this section, there are many choices like lighter, darken, overlay, soft light, and many more. Just choose which one is best for your picture. Now, I will use the overlay and adjust the opacity to 84% and fill to 50%. And that's how you create a gradient in Photoshop. Gradients can help draw focus to a point in your image by creating a glint of light or color that gradually fades from one hue to another. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give us a like, comment down below for any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Happy editing!